Hey, y'all doing? Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the man cave. Well, the plane that I'm fixing, yeah, I know, I'm going to talk about planes, right? The plane I'm fixing to show you, Fat Guy has fallen victim to all the hype and all the glory of this plane. There's been dozens of videos, unbox and build. There's been probably 100 maiden flights. And I actually got the plane. I know I'm leading up to what it is. You probably already guessed it by now. I was actually in the bathroom on the throne when this thing went live. I knew nothing about it. I had no clue about it. And all of a sudden, this comes live on Motion RC. This gets announced. I had just bought another plane from FREEWING, a Griffin, which I haven't shown on the channel yet. I'll be getting to that. The JS39 Griffin. And that's the plane I was going to buy. Hobby Zone sent me, you know, so I paid almost $500 by the time I had a receiver for that Joss Griffin. And then Hobby Zone said, hey, we want you to, oh yeah, I put on Sharky, I put shark teeth on because I call him Sharky all the time. Hobby Zone sent me this and said, hey, we're going to give you the integral. We want you to do a review on that. Like, okay, great, you know, buying a plane, I'm getting a plane for a review. Oh boy, you know, life is good. You know, I was already tapped out on money anyways, as it is. But then I saw this. I immediately, without thinking, without doing any research, without doing the first video or anything about it, I hit the buy button. I said, I have to have that. I don't care whether I can afford it or not. I'll go into even further into debt. My responsible brain is going, no, you already owe like $4,000 in planes, you know. Come on, you know. I'm like, I don't care. That's a must-have. That's like when I first learned about Draco. Buy. And didn't even think about, you know, well, that thing's got a lot of features. You probably don't even have a receiver for it. And I didn't. That's why I was one of the first people to receive this. I've actually had this for like 2 weeks now. It's only been out for like 2 weeks. I was like one of the first people to get it, but it's been sitting in my man cave here for the past week and a half. I paid for express shipping and everything. But I didn't have a receiver for it. And you know how I am about, and my stupid butt, if I just would have ordered a 10-channel receiver with it, then we would already, you know, I would have already had the maiden and everything. Okay, enough about all that. Okay, poor planning, you know, means for poor results. But so now I'm, you know, not that I'm trying to compete with everybody else, so I'm a little behind the curve when it comes to putting out videos and putting out reviews of this plane. Mainly because I didn't have a receiver, and I just got the receiver today in the mail. And here, what is today? Today's the 22nd of March, and I've had this plane for like 2 weeks now. So, however long. I mean, I was like one of the first people to get it. But, so, sorry. Those of y'all are wanting to see Fat Guy's take on it. I'm now going to give you Fat Guy's take on the F-14A TOMCAT Twin 64 from FREEWING. We're going to unboxing, and I'm going to do a complete build on it. So please understand that video, as I shake the knife at you, is going to be a little long. So get something to drink, sit back, relax. The radio setup video will be an entirely setup build video, and that will be, I will show you where I'm going, or the build video, I will show you where I'm going to install the receiver, but the radio setup video will be like I usually do, is I'll get the plane completely ready to go, and then we'll go over what I've done electronically with the plane. But let's get it unboxed for now, and that'll be a video, and then the build video will be, or assembly will be a video by itself, and then the radio will be a third video. So, and I'm going to do it all tonight. So, let's unbox it. If you notice right now, it may look a little different here. When I pull this light here on, it creates this haze on the screen. So I think this is a little easier for you to see. All right, of course, I'll have all the specs on the plane in the description of the video. But if you're looking at this video and you're watching this plane, you've already read all that anyways. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The warning, this is not a toy. There's the manual. Not folded. Hate it when they fold manuals. Y'all need to hear me say that all the time. Oh, a little. Okay, let's open this. This. Remember, keep up with your debris as you go. Kind of take a mental picture of how everything looks in a crisscross pattern. Okay. And they definitely have taken their time here. Okay. There again, they're protecting the investment. Okay. Everything is in its own little baggie. Go ahead and open that up. I'm telling you, these manufacturers are getting in competition with each other to how to get the finish on this foam. You can see the individual cells, but you cannot feel them. I love the Jolly Rogers theme. Go ahead and pull that out of there. Plastic here, here, and here. All your contact points for your screws. Of course, ball links already installed for you. Horizontal stabilizer, otherwise known as elevator. Ball link installed. All them little no-step decals are already on there for you. Got your little tray with all your screws in it. What did I do with my knife? With my knife? My knife, my knife, my knife. What did I do with my knife? All right. All right, everything you need. All your metal. And your little bit of glue, because there is the best glue in the world, the Chinese glue. Very little part count as far as your that stuff goes, as far as your screws. Now, if you've watched a couple of my more recent unbox and build videos, I'll have my audio doesn't normalize when I'm doing it on the phone here, and so when I get closer to the phone, obviously, because I'm filming on my Galaxy 21, when I'm close to the phone, obviously my voice is louder, so I try to talk a little softer when I get closer to the phone. But then when I'm over here, I'll have to try to talk loud. So what I just do is when I edit the video, and all I do then is I will make the volume a little lower when I'm closer to the. In case you've noticed that, you're like, wait a minute, it got soft. That's why I do that. I don't want to get to the phone and I forget what I'm doing, and it's like I'm screaming in your ear. So, and I don't want to do that. Little Sidewinder missile. Cool. Another foam block. One of the pylons that holds the missiles. Looks like something else wrapped up in foam. Don't know what that is yet. Try to keep your debris in one place. Okay, one of the wings. Everything in this plane got its own little individual bag. Everything is hooked up for you. That's a huge time to. There's your CG mark there. Just love the finish. Gorgeous plane. Absolutely gorgeous. There. Another boom boom. Okay. And yes, I have cut myself many times. The other vertical stabilizer. Okay. All right. Always look at every nook and cranny This is some engineering here for sure. Even just putting these things in here in the box. How they got the boxes. Definitely computer generated. Okay, that whole fuse is going to come out for the rest of that part. All right, so now the main event here. The main. There's more to come out of the box. Yeah, this box is like in layers, several layers. Several layers. Oh. Look, they paid attention to where your vertical stabilizers. You got a little foam protection on there. Got your two twin 64s. Oh man. Plenty of room. There's where your obviously your battery's going, or your receiver's going to go up here. Look at all that cooling. Okay, you got your two ESCs right here. This is all cooling that goes over and keeps those ESCs cool. We got some cheaters inside there. EC5 connection. And yeah, this is impressive. Now, I don't like this. See, now I wish this here was hard plastic, because if I want to stand this on its well, I wouldn't be able to do it. Yeah, so you got your nose cone there, or your nose there, so you stand your fuse, you can be able to stand at the corner. Okay, I'm going to have to break into the second part of this coffin here. Well, here's the side wires. There's missiles everywhere. Okay, I'm going to have to dump that out. Okay, yeah, I'm going to cut into this. Okay. And I'm sorry if this is kind of tedious. Say, yeah, we got more of a plane here. Got the nose cone. And obviously something goes on the end of the nose cone, and that's all hard plastic there. The cockpit. Oh, the pilot there. Even looks like Maverick. I'm sure y'all are probably sick and tired of the now see, I just happen to see this laying here, and look how that just blends right in. Another pylon for the missiles. It's only knowing what the part count should be and knowing what should be included. You know, I wouldn't pay any attention. Like, oh crap, you know, throwing that out and think, man, they didn't pack that, and yeah, they did. You just didn't see it. One of the reasons why they have that plan, they have that one part of the graphic in the manual that shows you all the parts included. Look at all that. Make sure you got everything. I guarantee you left something in the box. All right. And this one here, and especially the white plane parts, definitely want to pay attention. All right. Got these last two pylons that are kind of, big missiles that are kind of sitting in there, and they're just going to have to fall out. All right. The way they're kind of wedged in there. All right, I don't see anything else. Pick up my debris. Okay, we're going to pause while I clean up the mess. All right. Everything's laid out in front of you. There is no wing spar to speak of. It's already inside the wings, and of course obviously in the structure. And this, looks like there's already little ball bearings. I can see little ball bearings down in there. That's very cool. Very, very cool. And so basically this is a matter of putting on your vertical stabilizers, your horizontal stabilizers, taking the top off the fuse, attaching the wings using all the brackets in the middle, and that's pretty much it. And then go to the electronic part. So we'll pause there. I mean, this is your little bag. Now there's a bit more of an assembly than the typical FREEWING planes. There's more steps, mainly involving the wing section, but the tail and the horizontal and the verticals, pretty self-explanatory. Will be I'm going to be reviewing the build video with Wesley before I start assembly, just to make sure I'm doing it right and have the manual ready. So when I start the assembly video, it may be a matter of, okay, stop, let me read a little bit, and then we'll proceed. I'll do my best in editing to try to fast forward through that kind of stuff. You can kind of watch me do it fast. I'll try to say if I'm going to fast forward, we'll talk. But anyways, I'm trying to progress in these build videos and these assembly videos, because mainly so many viewers have said that, you know, when you get a new plane, we know it may not do a lot for the channel, but we want to see you unbox, we want to see you build everything you get. And so I'm trying to do that. And that's what y'all asked for, so that's what I'm going to do. Sometimes I will get a plane, unbox, build video, and I won't necessarily put like the Joss Griffin. I've got the plane completely ready. I've already flown the plane and everything, but I haven't released those videos as of yet. That is to come, because I put all on hold because of this beast here. So, and that was a new plane. This is new, and I know people are wanting to buy it, and some people are saying, well, you know, not to toot my own horn, but I have people on the channel contact me and say, look, you know, I really want to get this plane, but I want to see what your ideas on it, what's your opinions on it. I want to see your videos first. And that really makes me feel good. But also puts pressure on me, like I'm doing the best I can, okay? Okay, enough crap. Enough of that. Ranting on. Okay, let's just put this thing together. Be right back with the build video. God bless y'all. And this is Fat Guy Flies RC, and hopefully this lighting's a little bit better. I will do the assembly video. I will have to turn that light back on so I can see and you can see more intricate detail. All right, y'all have a good, and I'll try to be closer with this stuff. Y'all have a good, God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then Tomcats.